Hello, in front of me I've got Mio MiVue 785 Dashcam. In this video I'll show you the camera preview. As you can see right here, on the front of the camera we've got this huge display with non-buttons. So I suppose this camera has a touch screen thanks to which we can manage it. Now let's take a look at the side of the camera. Right here we've got power button and SD card slot. Here we've got the camera itself, and I think this is the speaker. Right here we've got the jack, power port, holder, and on the bottom we've got the reset button and serial number of our camera. Now let's turn it on. Unfortunately, it's not turning on. So basically, this will be it for the camera preview. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.